A beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home near Tinker Air Force Base may be just what you need. The extras in this home will outshine the others that you may have been looking at. I'm Marcie Billen, and I'm a real estate agent in the Oklahoma City metro. The layout for this house creates a family plan concentrated near the rear of the home. Immediately on your right as you walk in the door are 2 hall bedrooms and the hall bath. These 2 rooms have been upgraded to luxury vinyl floors. The position of these 2 hall bedrooms help the entryway feel more grand and the living room feel more private. At 1,700 square feet, I think you'll find the bedrooms in this home to be larger than average, meaning more living space for those you love. Hard surface flooring throughout the home means easy cleanup and an elevated look on trend with styles we see in brand new homes. The open kitchen includes a sort of connected island where the sink is located, granite countertops, beautiful wood grain cabinets, and of course, a gas stove. The wall pantry is deep, with plenty of storage for your food. The primary bedroom looks out into the backyard and includes a small hallway that connects the room to the primary bathroom. A separated tub and shower mean that you get to create a space that's spa-like in the bathroom. The 2 walk-in closets are located in the small hallway outside the bathroom, but yet inside the primary bedroom. For more information on this home, please check the description below and give me a call, and I'll answer your questions and set up a showing.